it's Gina with WTI. Like everyone, I know that drinking water is really good for me, but I was looking to enhance the benefits that I can get from it. And that's one reason that I got this hydrogen water bottle from PUREPEBRIX. Number one, I found that drinking an entire bottle first thing in the morning on an empty stomach has been the best for me. So I set it for the 6 minute for that one because I'm just waking up, I haven't exerted myself, but it is so nice and hydrating to get me started off on the right foot for the day. If I've exerted myself, and I've been doing that a lot with working in the yard, I'm gonna set this for 12 minutes. I found it to be so refreshing, so energizing. So on a technical side, this bottle can infuse up to 6,000 parts per billion. That's thanks to the amazing design on this. So on the base of the machine, this has a titanium platinum alloy electrolyte sheet. This gives you a higher hydrogen production, and it also has an ion membrane for hydrogen and oxygen separation. So this leaves you with only rich hydrogen that is integrated into the water. This also comes with an adapter, so if you choose, you can attach like a water bottle to it, but I prefer just to use the bottle that came with it. Although you'll see bubbles coming up while it's producing the hydrogen, this does not have any kind of fizz to it. It is flat. I take this bottle everywhere with me. The water tastes great. I feel it's very good for me. I think you should check it out, and that's my point of view.